Hi, this is the Galaxy S24 Plus and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So first open the Play Store app and in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app, click to enable in settings and click to the switcher near the green Apple keyboard. Twice tap to OK and go back. Click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished and let's just check our new keyboard look, and we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.